Welcome back to the GSM workshop with the Land Rover Series 2 restoration project. Just doing a progress update and show you where I'm at. Let's start off with the dash panel. Took all the instruments out, all the switches off, and I sandblasted and painted with crinkle finish, black crinkle finish. The instrument cluster and the other two pieces which fit kind of, I believe, on this side over here, where the oil pressure gauge goes. So that is done and it looks quite nice. I'm not going to paint the dials or anything like that. I'm going to leave as is. I guess a little bit of patina doesn't hurt. And as for the car, I have now painted the bulkhead, as you can see. Heater blower has been painted, and so has the heater matrix as well. It's been done. I've put on back on the regulator box and fuse box is on there. I don't know if you can see the finish. Quite glossy. Nice paint, by the way. Been done really nice and glossy. Certainly for a Land Rover finish, and its original color is Marin Blue. I think it's 006 is the paint code. I'll come back to this area in a second. These are part of the dash panel as well. Again, painted. Come out really nice. Go down this side. Took out the pedals, and I'm going to be painting this up black. And painted up the steering column black, just detailing this out as well. Onto the inside of the bulkhead. Give you a under gear lever. Give you a quick go down here. It's all painted. I didn't take out the wiper motor. I just masked it off. We'll refurbish this as well. You can see underneath, it's all in this nice marine blue. You can see the heater box down there. So that's the first. Let's go on the other side to show you a bit more detail. So this first week has got this far. I'm quite pleased. Kept the original sticker for the locking hubs inside. Just give you some close-up shots what it looks like. So far I really am pleased with this paint. It's looking really good. It's a tough, I think it's a polyurethane paint. I'll show you the paint while I'm at it. This is the paint I'm using. I'll just hold it on there for a second. It's a 3-part paint. Let's come up here a bit so you can see where I'm getting it from. Okay, Marin Blue. Okay, let's go back to the car here. So, talking to the customer, and we're going to paint the frame black in a gloss black chassis paint. Same as I used, which I can show you on the Volkswagen over here. Actually, I'll do a close-up in a minute of that. So all the frames are going to be painted as well. Took the rear tub off. It wasn't even bolted down, so quick lift off of that. And you can see everything is in really solid condition everywhere. And now it gives me better access for doing finishing work off back here as well. So just go down the frame rails, all solid. I don't see any welding patches on anywhere, which is really good. This is not original, this part here. This is not original. I'm going to drill some holes in here to mount up the rear tub when it goes back on. Go around, look on the other side. Not seeing any patches anywhere. Maybe this has been done, it's hard to say. I'd like to replace the shock absorbers, even though not leaking, because that will just paint them up, we'll see. But I do have new bushies to go in here, and the bottom as well. Let's look around. By the spring hangers, I can feel underneath there is no rust at all, very, very dry. And there's a little bit there. I may say that I may have to plate this. Looking at it, I can see some rust down here. I can feel it's a little bit crunchy, so I may make up a plate to go in there, and we'll see what it's like. I may as well look at the other side quickly. I don't think there's anything there. So let's go back around the other side. We'll check this one. No, this one's looks like this one has been plated before. Pretty sure of it. Yeah. Okay, so I just got a bit of welding on that side to do. No big deal. The tub is off, as you can see. The steel parts look in good condition. Use my broom. Now, wire brush is off, and we'll paint them with Rust Cure I use. You can see previous videos on the Rust Cure I use. Otherwise, everything else looks like it's in really good condition as well. Now, getting a bit dark here. So I did some repair here, and I quickly painted it with a coat of paint to see it's going to come out okay. Again, you can see the difference between what I've painted and the original faded blue. It's going to look pretty sharp when it's all done. And there's a table of bits. So, a little bit disorganized, but at least I know where everything is. Okay, that's about it really for a quick update. Fuel tank is in good condition, which is here. No problems with that. Oh, and I can probably show you the black I use here as well. This is my Volkswagen, and this is the black chassis paint I use. It's a two-part paint. Very, very hard. Better than Paul 15 in many ways. I'm quite impressed with it. Okay, thank you for watching so far. I don't think there's anything else I need to show you right now. Update, and I'll do another video this time next week for part 3. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe if you like this video. Bye for now.